This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Polar Vantage V. First, let's cover a soft reset, which is perfect for fixing small software hiccups without losing any of your valuable data. It's a quick and easy fix. Simply press and hold the prominent red button on your watch for about 10 seconds. You'll know it's working when the familiar Polar logo reappears on the screen, indicating a successful restart. This method is often all you need for minor issues. Now, let's talk about preparing for a factory reset, which is a more comprehensive solution. It's crucial to understand that this process will completely wipe all data and settings from your watch, returning it to its original, out-of-the-box state. Before you begin, make sure to sync your watch with the Polar Flow app or web service to back up all your important training and activity data. Also, ensure your watch has at least 20% battery life to prevent interruptions. To perform a factory reset, you'll need your computer and the Polar Flow sync software. First, connect your Polar Vantage V to your computer using the USB charging cable that came with your watch. Once connected, open the Polar Flow sync application on your computer. Within Flow Sync, you'll find a factory reset option. Select this option and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the action. The process will then begin, taking a few moments to complete. Once the factory reset is complete, your Polar Vantage V will restart, appearing just as it did when you first unboxed it. It's essentially a blank slate. Your next step will be to pair your watch again with your smartphone via the Polar Flow app or with your computer using Flow Sync. After pairing, you'll need to reconfigure all your personal settings, preferences, and user profiles to customize your watch exactly how you like it for your activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.